Welcome to Content Catalyst. Want to build powerful websites using Python? You are in the right place. Today, we are exploring Django, the web framework that powers everything from simple blogs to large-scale platforms. Getting started with Django. Django is beginner-friendly and super fast to set up. With just Python, pip, and a few terminal commands, you'll launch your first project in minutes. 10 Django tips every developer should know. Use virtualenv, structure your project properly, enable debug mode wisely, and never ignore the built-in admin panel. These tips will save you hours. Build your first web app in 30 minutes. You'll define views, link templates, use Django's URL routing system, and see your app live, all without writing a single line of JavaScript. Django versus Flask. Which one should you choose? Flask is minimal and flexible. Django is full-featured and built for rapid development. If you are building something big, Django gives you structure from day one. Mastering Django models and ORM. Django's ORM lets you connect and manage databases with Python code. No messy SQL, just clean, readable Python. Whether you are a beginner or looking to level up, Django is the perfect place to start your web dev journey. Subscribe to Content Catalyst and let's code smarter together.